Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to change a Gmail name on Android. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well guys, firstly here, of course, I'm going to open my applications, which is Gmail applications. And now go ahead to your account here at the top right in the corner of your screen. And after, this is my Gmail's name. If you want to change it, you just have to tap on this manage your Google account. Now in this page, you will see this personal info, just tap on it. And after, here we'll see the name here guys. If you want to change it, you just have to tap on it and you just have to erase this name. I'm gonna tap on it and now I'm gonna reset it. I'm gonna use my new name. And then I'm gonna add my surname also. And after, tap on the save button here at the bottom. And as you can see, for my Gmail's name is already changed guys. So yeah, I think it's enough. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below. And I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.